Today I'm teaching my Grandking how to drive. He's 16 years old. I have a little bit more patience than others, so I probably can teach him a little bit better. He said he going to get his learner's license on Thursday, y'all. So yeah, he gonna be driving all over the place. But guess what? It will be with an adult. And when he does learn how to drive, until he's like 21 or 22, no one will be riding in the car with him but an adult. He won't be playing with no phone. He won't have his teenage friends in the car. Baby, if it's left up to me, they wouldn't be getting their license until they're 21.
Stop. So you gonna go the regular route? Or you gonna go down this way? Okay, good job. Take your time. You're gonna have to whoop it now. Whoop it on through there. Whoop, 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 whoop it on through there. Okay, great job. Okay, take your time, take your time. Keep in mind, we're gonna go all the way over to the right.
I taught my youngest daughter how to drive in a parking lot, so I'm gonna teach my Grandking how to drive in the parking lot.
Try not to roll up on that curb. Okay. Now what you do? Then look one way. If they ain't behind you, they're supposed to be behind you. Take your time. Good job. Right. So we're gonna stay on this side. You see that line? We're gonna stay on, not on the line, it's on the side. Yeah. Good job, Tom. Good job. Good job. Blinker. Good job.
No one taught me how to drive. I just used to be in the front seat and just watching people. That's how I learned. But I'm gonna teach my grandchildren how to drive.
Now, remember what I told you. Before you go wide, what you do? Look in this mirror and this one. Now, pull out. Go to turn, go to turn. Good job, Toy. You did that, Toy. All right, Toy. Put it in park. All right. Great job. You did that, Toy.